Hi, this is John Deere Jr., the creative edge, lunatic fringe of hysterical, historic Northside, Ohio. Today's date is January 16th, 2023. The subject of this video is Happy New Year, y'all, 2023. The subject of this video is we're doing some experimental data, trying to get some experimental data on converting an email to a YouTube video. This is important because an email gives us some record of a paper trail of what we're trying to do with this nonviolent cure for violence project. The possible benefits is it gives us another, in addition to a paper trail, instead of having to go up to the library to make a photocopy of an email, we got it here, so this way I can share it with somebody. Just go, tell them to go over the YouTube channel. There might be some possible benefits we can't even imagine until we experiment with it. Suggestion for practical application is give it a try yourself, and you might find it useful. And if you learn anything about it, let us know about it, and so we can all share the data. I'm using a number 3 close-up lens about 4 inches away from the screen. Hopefully this will give us a clear enough, it's legible enough where it'll be good enough for reference purposes. As you can see, this email was sent to quite a few people. We got quite a few people interested in this project, so it had a pretty extensive email list. This was recorded, reduced the size of the image to 50%. You can see the all the email is divided into blocks so that when we scan down here, it's easy to keep your place. We're starting here with block number 1 at the top. I'm going to allow about 5 seconds per block so you can stop the video, pause it, and then you can go ahead and read the text. This is block number 2. This is number 3. Number 4, and finally, block number 5. This is a ministry I tried to get started over at the Greater Word Church of Christ a few years ago. This is a page out of my website, wow-1.com. State-of-the-art gospel outreach and systematic teaching Bible study. Research and development ministry. This isn't about changing the message, God forbid. That's just fine, but perfect, but it's about doing a better job, more effective job of reaching out to people that need the gospel and to give them a systematic education so that they are equipped for ministry in a short time rather than just taking years and years just floating around and hearing the same thing over and over again. At the end of the 5th chapter and the beginning of the 6th chapter of the book of Hebrews, it talks about just going over and over the same old thing and not making any progress. Right here's part of the 5th chapter. You can just read it for yourself. I'm getting ready as soon as I get an extra hand or feet available here to do a video about ancient inefficiency, their planting methods and harvesting methods and their teaching methods. They just didn't have systematic ed construction like we take for granted today. In closing, I'd just like to say once again to go over here to YouTube, and my channel name is Lightning Rod PBN. If it brings it up wrong, when you enter it, make sure it's all one word and it's Lightning Rod, not. And when you can see right here, it's broken up like it is shown right there. After you enter my in my channel name, Lightning Rod PBN, in the search box, make a space there, and then here's some titles, some videos right here that kind of give you a sample of what we're doing. These are just proof of concept videos. Just we got some other things planned down the road, but right now we're just doing proof of concept videos. Okay, that pretty much wraps it up. Just please let me know what you think about this new way of dividing up an email with these blocks like this. Make it easier to find what you're looking for on the email.